Europa has an ocean underneath its icy shell. Today, we'll get a closer look at one of the instruments on NASA's Europa Clipper that could tell us more about this hidden ocean. This is High Bay 2 at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where work is being done on Europa Clipper's magnetometer.
A magnetometer is a device that measures the strength of the magnetic field. A magnetic field is created by flowing electrical currents in objects or in fixed magnets. In the case of Europa, it's electrical current that's flowing in Europa that generates a magnetic field that we can detect with these sensors. The magnetometer will confirm the existence of the oceans, but it'll also provide more detailed information than that. It'll also tell us about how much salt there is in the ocean, and also may provide information about how deep the ocean is under